Top 10 habits you need to follow in your daily life. Reading. Reading book is a great way to gain knowledge and stimulate creativity. Immersion reading also improves focus and has a calming effect similar to meditations. Non-fiction books in particular are an excellent tool to broaden horizon, develop new ideas, and seek motivations. Additionally, they also offer actionable advice on how to overcome all kinds of challenging situations through real-life examples. Moreover, reading before bedtime can help you sleep better. Learn to single task. Only 2% of people in the world can multitask successfully. While there is no harm in multitasking, constant juggling between tasks limits your focus and contributes to mental clutter by making it difficult for your brain to filter out irrelevant information. Moreover, according to a study conducted by Stanford University, heavy multitasking lowers efficiency and may impair your cognitive control. This is why you should try to single task as much as possible. Making a list of things you need to accomplish in a day. Start with what's most important and make your way down the list, completing one task at a time. Eliminate clutter. We live in an era of too much. The cost of goods has decreased rapidly over the last few decades, and we now possess a lot of everything. Own fewer clothes, shoes, cooking materials, bedding sheets, and towels. Give away or throw directly in the trash to create white space in your life. But decluttering your life is more than just getting rid of materialistic possessions. It's about focusing on less goals. One is enough. Eliminating items from your to-do lists, letting go of toxic relationships, consuming less social media, canceling the gym membership you never use, bailing on time-consuming meetings and pointless arguments, keeping your desk clean at the end of the day, and single tasking. Use the 80-20 rule to find the truly important things in your life. Focus on the 20% of things that bring you 80% of the results. This will help you stop sweating the small stuff and focus on the bigger picture instead. Simplify your life. Remember to have more time for the things you love. Wake up when you say wake up. Aside from the occasional I am going to sleep until 11 am on Saturday because I am visiting my parents' house and I am sleeping in my old bed and I haven't slept in the long in forever, it behooves you to wake up early. But more importantly, to wake up when you say you are going to wake up. That means if you set the alarm of 6:30 am, you get out of bed at 6:30 am. Why? Because this is your first promise to yourself of the day. The night before you set the alarm at that time because you were making a promise to yourself to get up at the time. Starting your day with a broken promise is the same as getting out of bed on the wrong foot. Keep your promise. Wake up. Meditate. Meditation is self-observation. It helps you develop concentration, clarity, emotional positivity, and calm seeing of the true nature of things. I consider meditations a keystone habit. I normally meditate in the morning for 10 to 15 minutes using Headspace. It affects many other areas of my life: work, productivity, personal development, mood, relationships, stress, etc. The things about meditation is you become more and more you. I suggest you start with basic level meditations, which is designed to help you take a step back, disentangle yourself from your thoughts and re-enter your body. To develop the habit of meditating daily, start small, just meditate for 2 minutes per day. You can get started using these free guide meditations. Don't worry about depth or doing it right. That comes later. For now, just focus on building the habit of meditating every day. As you get used to the meditation practice, you can scale it up to 5 or 10 minutes, whatever works best for you. Assess the impact that meditation has in your life and which areas you want to improve, and focus on meditating specifically for improving on those areas. A moment of mindfulness. In addition to the above meditate, this is best done in the morning but after the shower, so you are slightly more awake. Take 5 or 10 minutes and just sit in silence. Listen to where you are. This helps you understand if you are starting your day in a good pace, or if you woke up frustrated, or if there is something you are really excited about. And from there, you will better understand yourself and how you can best approach the day to work with yourself as you currently are. This is so important to do in your daily life routine. Free time means free time. This habit is for workaholic and entrepreneurship out there like myself who forget that free time doesn't mean free working on more new projects. Free time literally means free time spent on nothing. Research shows that the more time you spend on a social media site, the more likely you are to develop depressions. Take time to cut back on social media to reduce stress and mental clutter. Switch off your phone and laptop for a few hours every day to improve your mood and reconnect with the world around you. Go for a walk in the park, go meet an old friend for coffee, go sit around, play cards against humanity with a bunch of friends, go call your grandma, go watch an entire movie without getting up halfway through because you feel like you are being unproductive. This free time has scheduled habit with help reset your brain and help you return to the work later with revitalized enthusiasm. Make one of your meal healthier each day. Food is fuel for your body. Having a healthy diet gives you more energy, increases productivity and fuels your workouts. Eating healthier is one of those good daily habits that everyone is aware of but few of us practice. Why? We all know that what real food is: meat, fish, vegetables, nuts, fruits, chips, candy, soda, not so great. We don't see our diet as an important part of our habits, but once you get it in your head how much your diet influences your life, energy levels, good decision making, mood, happiness, you instantly make the switch to be more mindful of what you eat. Take care of your body, it's the only place you have to live. An easy hack to eating healthier is to cook at home. Restaurants normally add a lot of salts and sugars to the food in order to enhance the flavor. When you cook from home, you have more control over ingredients and preparation method. And here's another pro tip. If you only have healthy and tasty food in your house, you don't even have to make a choice. You will eat what is in front of you. Your diet starts at the supermarket. Drink water. Water is one of the best tools for weight loss. It doesn't have calories unlike high calorie drinks like sodas, juices and alcohol. It's also a great appetite suppressant. Often when we think we are hungry, we are actually just thirsty. Drinking plenty can help your weight loss regimen. Drinking a good amount of water could lower your risk of heart attacks. Drinking water can clear up your skin, but it won't happen overnight, of course. Drink a healthy amount of water for a week and you will notice its good effects on your skin. Our digestive system needs a good amount of water to digest food properly. Water can help cure stomach acid problems. It can help treat constipation too. Water is used by the body to help flush out toxins and waste products from the body. Drinking a healthy amount of water has also been found to reduce the risk of colon cancer by 45%. It can also reduce the risk of bladder cancers by 50% and potentially reduce the risk of breast cancers. Get a good night's sleep. If you don't get a good night's sleep, the next day you may be irritable, have memory problems, or be forgetful, feel depressed, have more falls or accidents. Follow a regular sleep schedule. Go to sleep, get up at the same time each day, even on weekends or when you are traveling. Develop a bed routine. Take time to relax before bedtime each night. Some people read a book, listen to soothing music, or soak in warm bath. Try not to watch television or use your computer, cell phone, or tablet in the bedroom. The light from these devices may make it difficult for you to fall asleep. And alarming or unsettling shows or movies like horror movies may keep you awake. Avoid eating large meals close to bedtime. They can keep you awake.